I'm canceling installation from node 1. Okay, I'm canceling installation from node 1. Okay. Yes. Let me go to node 2 first. Let me install my node 2 installation, new SQL Server standalone installation.
There's no installed in Node 1 right here.
But it was struck. Okay, so the thing is, we haven't installed .NET Framework. Without doing that, we just started installing SQL Server, so it was struck at .NET. You can see here .NET, that file, it was not moving, so it was struck. So that's why I'm just canceling the installation. I'm proceeding on node 2, then again I'll go for node 1. Next, I accept the license terms. Next. Just failed. Close it. Close the setup file.
Sir, mute all of them, sir.
హలో ఆగండి కాసేపు తర్వాత గొడవ ఆడుకోండి.
అంతే అన్ని చేసి మరి గొడవ.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, it is as this we are running 3 machines on virtual machine, as it is very slow. If we can configure, using, if we can run another node machine on another laptop, is it possible?
You have to do extra settings and all for that. Okay, it's not so simple. You have to add these 2 laptops in the domain. My voice is breaking. Just 1 minute, guys.
Now I can hear it.
Now is that okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So yes, that is possible, but you have to go for extra settings. Okay, so now you have to add both laptops in one domain. Okay,
yes,
you have
sir.
to create domain and all, but that is not going to work. Why? Because your laptop doesn't have with the domain features.
Sir, again your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay,
it's breaking.
Just 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Now is this clear? Now is this clear? Yeah.
Yes.
So actually your laptop doesn't support a domain and all. Your servers only will support adding into the domain. Okay, so that don't work.
We are here also we are doing the same thing, sir. But
see, this is server operating system, sir. Server operating system will have extra features. Got the point? Server operating systems will have extra features. You can add the servers into the domain and all. You can add laptop also in the domain, but not like this. You have to go for extra settings. Okay, whatever I did now, that is not going to work. Why? Because the IPs and all will be changed. If your laptop is, you can do one thing. Okay, try to connect these 2 laptops with the one LAN cable. Okay, so try to create one domain. I'm not sure whether it will help you to create the domain or not. Why? Because in the local laptops, you cannot create domain. That feature is not there. If you want to add both the laptops in one domain, first of all, you should have domain, right? Where you are going to create the domain? Where you will create the domain? Got the point? By using your laptop Windows 10 operating system, that feature won't supports to create the domain and all. If you have two laptops, that's okay, but both the laptops should be in one domain. And when you will create, where you will create the domain, first of all, your laptop won't allow you to create the domains. Okay, only server operating system will help you to create the domain.
Yes, yes.
And
This
our
one.
local machines are not server OS. Sir. Our
Yes.
No. We will install server OS on that.
Yes. SQL Server replication, full text. Okay, and client tools connectivity, client tools backward compatibility, client tools SDK, SQL client connectivity SDK. Okay, done. Next. What about my node 2? Array, this is my node 2, right? Okay, chalo, no problem. Let's go with this node 2 database engine. Replication, full text. I thought I just initiated the installation. Guys, it won't take much time. Okay, please bear with me for 5 minutes. Once installation is initiated, you can drop if you want, or you can wait and watch. Okay. Next. Process is same, whatever we discussed just now on the node 1, the same process we have to follow. Okay, so this is my node 2 SQL B42, sorry, SQL 2017. Just click here and go to next. Service account, you have to assign the custom service account. We have already created this account in the Active Directory. SVC. Check names. It will ask Active Directory username and password. STRATOR 1, 2, 3. Done. Click OK. Control C. Just Control V and give the password 1, 2, 3. And if you give the wrong password, SQL Server installation will be failed, or it won't go to next step. Collation and all, I don't change it, guys. Next, add current user, add SQL DBS, semicolon, SQL underscore SVC. Okay, check names, click OK. Right, data directory stamp DB. I don't want to change anything. You can finally go for installation, guys. That's it. This is for node 2. Okay. So once this is done, you can parallelly you can go for node 1 installation also, but you are using same software, right? Same software is distributing for node 1 and node 2. So parallelly, if you are doing means, it will create some slowness, guys. That's it. Okay. This is B42 SQL 2017. Just click here once. This is node 1 SQL 2017, guys. That is node 2 SQL 2017. I'm installing 2 SQL servers. I told you, right, why we have to install 2 SQL servers, guys? Any idea?
because node 1 is one machine and node 2 is one machine, sir.
Okay.
And we are syncing the data, right? We need to sync the data, databases. So for that, instance should be there.
Correct. Okay. Yesterday we discussed it, right? To shrink the data for primary and secondary in the node 1, one server will act as a primary, one server will act as a secondary. So the data will keep on syncing between primary and secondary, guys. Okay. If something went wrong with my primary server, okay, I'll go with my secondary server. I'll fail over the application to the secondary server, guys. Add current user, add button, add SQL DBS semicolon SQL underscore ESVC. Check names.
Sir, here why you were adding that service account also, sir, along with group SQL DB group?
You only tell me why we have to add service account also.
If you won't add it, how can we read and write?
Your service account should be a login in the SQL server with the sysadmin privileges. Okay. Now, if you don't add it now, nothing happened. After installation of SQL server, then also you can create a new login for service account and you can give sysadmin. But if you are giving now, if you are adding now, no need to create separate login for service account and no need to give sysadmin privileges. Those who are adding in the add current user screen, all will get sysadmin privileges. Their account will be created in the SQL server and with the sysadmin privileges. So we can skip it, guys. Right?
Okay.
Got the point? Still confusing.
Yes, no.
Let's wait. Variant is pending. Oh, come on. Something issue is there then. Install.NET 46 CPU 64. Okay, guys. It will take time. Okay. So let it be. If it was cancelled, I'll troubleshoot it and I'll fix the issue. Might be no issue, but we have to restart after installing the .NET framework. That is the only thing causing the issue. Let's see. Let's wait for it. Okay. Once installation is done, tomorrow I'll install. After installation is done, I'll install SSMS, guys. Tomorrow I'll show you. Okay, connecting to the SQL server and all. Right. So you can leave it now. I'm going to close the session for now. Not tomorrow. Again, on Monday. Okay, I'm going to start discussing log shipping and all, guys. Okay. If this was failed, I'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes. If this was failed, I will restart the server. I'll again start installing SQL Server. If that is going to fix the issue, I'll tell you, I'll update you on Monday. If it is not fixing the issue, I'll check it, why it is causing the issue and all, and I'm going to update you the same issue on Monday, guys. Okay. Chalo, that's it for today.
Okay.
We'll meet again on Monday at 7 a.m. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye.